Hey there, welcome to Easy Tech Steps. In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Google Chrome from your MacBook and remove leftover files to free up storage. First, make sure Chrome is fully closed. Next, open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Find Google Chrome, then drag it to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash. Now let's delete the leftover files to free up even more space. You'll need to remove these two folders. Both of these folders are inside your personal library folder. That's the library inside your user folder, not the system-wide library. Look for any other Chrome-related files or folders and delete them too. Finally, open the trash and click Empty to permanently remove everything. And that's it. You've fully uninstalled Chrome and cleared out the junk files. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss out on more tech tips. See you in the next video on Easy Tech Steps.